Hello everyone, welcome back to logicbinder. In today's video, we shall see some examples for derivation from the context-free grammar. Let us consider this example. This example we have seen previously in leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. See this. This is nothing but you can rewrite this one as like this. S goes to aSb, S goes to bSa, S goes to SS, S goes to epsilon. Okay, means S is having 4 options. Now, if you want to derive any string, previously we have taken ABAB. How to take that string? So many of you may have that doubt. Instead of ABAB, we shall derive some other string by starting from the start string randomly. Okay, let us take first one. S derives aSb. In place of this S, you can place this or this. Let me take epsilon directly. Okay. If I place epsilon, what I will get? AB. Means you will be able to derive AB string from this grammar. Okay. This is the first string. Suppose. Let us derive one more string. Let me take this time B, SA. In place of S, I will take epsilon. What am I deriving? BA. Next, one more string we shall see. Let me take again aSb. In place of S, I will take SS. Again, in place of first S, again I will take aSb. Let me take epsilon here. What you will get? AABB. In this way, you can derive some of these strings. Okay. Let us see one more grammar. E goes to E plus E, E star E or A. This one also you can take separately like this. E goes to E plus E, E goes to E star E, E goes to A. Means for this non-terminal E, whatever the symbol you are having on the left hand side of the production, that is called as non-terminal in context-free grammar. On right hand side, you may have combination of terminals and non-terminals. Okay. Let us derive the string A plus A plus A. I will start with the start symbol. If you want to get plus, which one you have to choose? E plus E. Now, I can either replace this E or this E. I am doing normal derivation. I am not particular about leftmost or rightmost. You can replace this E or this E for normal derivation. I am replacing this with again E plus E. As I want to get 2 pluses, I will replace with E plus E. Now, I want to get A plus A plus A. Directly I will use this production. In place of E, I am placing A. In next step, this E also I am using E goes to A production. I am placing A. This one also. Okay. You can derive this string in another way also. See, again I am taking E plus E. In this derivation, these are the non-terminals I have replaced. Now, I will replace this non-terminal again with E plus E. Now, I can replace this one also first. With E goes to A, I am taking A. And then you may take this randomly. What you am getting? A plus A plus A. Next I will replace this. A plus A plus A. See, for single string you may have more than one derivation. Okay, normal derivation. Coming to leftmost derivation also you may have more than one leftmost derivation. Rightmost derivation also you may have more than one rightmost derivation. for a given string. I am taking the same grabber to find more than one leftmost derivation for the same string a plus a plus a. See how to do it. I am starting with the start symbol. As you have to get a plus, you need to take e plus e. Now, what is the leftmost non-terminal in this? This e. I have to replace it. You can replace it with again e plus e, or I can take e. See here, not e, a. I am taking a. Now, in this, the leftmost is again this e. A plus, I am replacing it with e plus e. Now, the leftmost is this e. If you want to get this string, I have to replace it with a using the production e goes to a. Next leftmost is this, simply a plus a plus a. This is one LMD for the string a plus a plus a. Let us see one more LMD. Again I am starting with e plus e. What is the leftmost symbol? This e. This time I will replace it with e plus e. Here I have taken e goes to a. Here I am taking e goes to e plus e. Next, what is the leftmost symbol here? This e. And as I want to get a plus a plus a, what I have to take? Simply e goes to a for this e. Next leftmost is this. Here also I will take e goes to a production. Next leftmost non-terminal is this a plus a plus a. See, two different leftmost derivations. You can do more than one leftmost derivation also. Coming to rightmost derivations, we shall see more than one rightmost derivation for the same string. You can take some other string like a plus a star a. For this also you may get more than one rightmost derivation. You can check it on it. Let me see this rightmost derivation. As I have to get plus, I am again taking e plus e. What is the rightmost one? From here you have to see. I am replacing it with e plus e. Again the rightmost is this. Replacing it with a. The rightmost is this. E plus a plus a. The rightmost is this. A plus a plus a. Now, one more rightmost derivation. Again I have to take e plus e. Which e I have to replace? This e. I am replacing it with directly a. This e is the rightmost again. You can replace it with e plus e now. The rightmost again is this. I am using the production e goes to a. And then here also I am replacing it with a. See here, you are having more than two rightmost derivations also. Now we have seen only single non-terminal productions. Let us see a grammar which is having two different non-terminals also. See, epsilon or C. Okay, this one I am taking. First of all, what are the non-terminals? Identify them. Whatever the symbols you are having to the left side of the production, S and A. Terminals, remaining all symbols. See, small a, small b and C. First, I am writing the production separately. This goes to A goes to epsilon, A goes to C. Okay. Let us derive some random string. Similarly, you have to start with the start symbol. Whatever the symbol you are having on the left hand side of the first production, that will become the start symbol. I'm starting with S. You can either take this or this. Let me take this. In place of A, you can either place epsilon or C. Let me place epsilon. If I place epsilon, what it will become? AB. One of the string which can be derived from this grammar is AB. Let us see one more. This time I will take second production. S goes to AA. In place of A, I can take epsilon. If I place epsilon, it will be simply A. Next I will place in place of A, let me take C. What you will get? Simply C. Like this you can derive different types of strings from any given context-free grammar.